guys? So in today's video I'm going on a cruise with some of my friends. I don't know if you guys can see them, but I got my friend David in his Evo. It's Evo 9, and then my other friend Dennis in a Porsche Carrera, the S. And then there's another guy, that's Dennis's friend, and he's in a Porsche Boxster S. So we're gonna take some back roads and head up to the Hawk's Nest, which is one of the most known roads for car people in like New Jersey, New York, Pennsylvania area. So enjoy some back road driving, and let's get to it. So we're about to get up to the Hawk's Nest right now. So far it's been a pretty good drive. Everything else kind of was unexciting driving. So I just had some clips prior to that, just driving on some back roads that I hope you guys enjoyed. But now is the really cool part where I get to show you guys what the Hawk's Nest is like, and it's super sick, and I think you guys will really enjoy it. So enjoy this little drive through. So what's going on, guys? I know that this video was really short, and it was just honestly some lost footage that I had found while I was going through all my SD cards, because I have like 5 or 6 of them. So yeah, I thought I'd put together this video. I thought it was better than nothing, and I just thought that you guys would like to see some BRZ point of view driving back when it was nice out. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, go ahead and leave a comment down below. Go ahead and like the video, share it, do whatever you want to do. New things coming. I'm really excited. I'm going to start like a new series, so be on the lookout for that. It has to do with the BMW, so we're going to be doing some things with that until it gets a little bit warmer out, because I want to still push out content. So catch you guys in the next one. Peace.